It's my birthday, motherfucker, and we got a big pile of meat. That's right, haters. We're doing an epic mealtime party. Not like anyone's ever done that before.
Grounding up some beef for the dangerous chili. That's Jack Diagonals. Onions, that's right. Vegetables. You need vegetables in a chili. Meat broth. Spicy jalapenos. Making a hot chili lava. Stir that shit. More spicy jalapenos. Looks good. Hot Italian sausage. Hot, juicy, dripping with sausage meat. More vegetables.
Never been camping with me. No, I haven't. Maybe this summer.
Look at all this bacon! We got lots of bacon!
And bacon strips. And bacon strips. And bacon strips. And bacon strips. And bacon and bacon strips. Flip that bacon. Flip that juicy bacon.
You know, if you want to film it again, Matthew, if you give me some money, I'll go get another cheesecake.
Squishing up some meat, adding some bacon bits and Doritos. Rolling up some meatball boulders. Cause bitches love big boulders. Doritos. Oh yeah, smash those Doritos. Oh yeah, we're making a spicy Dorito batter for the matzo sticks. Slice up that cheese. Oh yeah, shake that cheese. Cover them in the crumbs. Gonna deep fry that shit later. It's not a party without some steak. Oh yeah. Steak, motherfucker. Wrap that steak in bacon. We're making bacon steak. It's staking. Skewer that shit. Hot dogs and cheese. What up, dog? Making a beer batter. We're gonna deep fry everything, motherfuckers. Deep fry, motherfucker! Deep fry! Deep fry that shit. Oh, that deep fried goodness.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, we need a big pile of beef and cow and pork. Squish it all together. We are the master craftsmen. Gonna sculpt us a meat volcano. That's right. We're the gods of meat. Sculpt that volcano with our godly meat hands. Oh yeah, this shit looks good. Meat volcano lined with bacon. Oh, the bacon. Looks tasty.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta take a picture of this. Oh yeah, no forks allowed.
Motherfucking volcano dripping with chili lava. It's hot. Add some fucking cheese. Motherfucking deep fried hot dogs with cheese and steak wrapped in bacon, dipped in beer batter. Motherfucker. Mount Vesuvius, you ain't got your on us. Next time, we eat a penis. I mean a vagina.